Hi, today we're going to give you a quick presentation from our series around the evolution of mobile from progressive mobile development. Today we're going to discuss an app that we call Kickstart. It's an app that is designed to help companies deploy complex equipment anywhere in the world. An overview of the Kickstart app, is pretty straightforward. It's an app that's designed to help companies automate the process of setting up and training for complex equipment, regardless of its location. It documents and tracks the setup, training on safety, training on operations, and training on maintenance of complex equipment. The story behind Kickstart here is that Greg Jones, the crushing and screening manager for Wagner Equipment, a cat dealer in Colorado, saw the need to improve the customer satisfaction with an app that standardized and documented the setup and training for crushing and screening equipment in the field with his clients. Clients are sometimes struggling to keep track of all the things that they learned and documentation, and so Greg saw a need to create an app to take this over and get rid of a paper-based process. The key benefits of the Kickstart app is that it standardizes the setup and training steps for field technician. So the field technician can go down a checklist in the app and basically not miss anything because it is all checklist before it's submitted. It documents the setup and training for both the company and the client. This way, it creates a baseline for proper ongoing operations and maintenance post the setup and training for the initial deployment of a piece of equipment. It helps improve customer satisfaction because it demonstrates to the client that your company is being thorough in the setup and training phases of receiving a new piece of equipment. And the other benefit it does is it reduces future disputes post-training. So when somebody sends their people to a training class in the field with a technician and they forget to do things or they claim that something wasn't shown to them and trained, the application serves as a data point to prove that yes, that was done. Some key features of the system include that it's mobile. It will run on any device from a browser. So that means PCs, desktop, notebooks, smartphones, tablets, or any type of device that can run a browser. There are both online and offline options, so data can be captured regardless if the location of the equipment has either cellular, Wi-Fi, or no connectivity. We capture all the customer information, and then the technician actually that conducts the training is identified and checks every step when each step is completed with the customer as they go along. At the completion of the training process, it submits a report to both the company and the client, so everyone is on the same page. Some additional key features is it sets up training, the setup of and operations, maintenance, and can do calculations of tons per hour when working with the crushing and screening. It can capture photos and documents if there are issues of damage or things that need to be demonstrated during the training and setup. And it's fully customizable to any number of equipment types. The app starts out at $3,500 for the base app and includes a large number of equipment pieces in the initial app. It has a $65 a month maintenance subscription to keep the app updated and running. The app is branded in your logos with custom photos and all your brand elements, so it's in your colors and your logos, so it keeps your brand in front of the customer while they're being trained and your technicians. The complete turnaround time based on your delivery of signing of a proposal and getting us the content we need is generally in the 1 to 2 week range, so it's a quick turnaround. And this can be integrated with almost any other maintenance or other systems. So the data collected in the field with the mobile devices can be stored for not only the training needs, but can be added to any maintenance or other systems. The app was designed to support an unlimited number of lines of equipment and unlimited number of equipments per line. So you literally can send a technician in the field, and they could be doing crushing and screening equipment. They could be doing paving equipment. They could be doing drilling equipment, excavation equipment, etc. So the app can be designed for your needs to fit your equipment company, so the different types of the equipment that you deploy in the field are presented into the customer. So drop-down lists can change the line. So you can have one app supports a technician who is cross-trained to develop and deploy equipment of multiple types. So the next steps, if you're genuinely interested in this Kickstart app, if you'll get a hold of our consultant, Rex Hallbison, he will be able to help you with getting your requirements defined and your specific needs drawn out. We have a quick demo that we will show you what we did with the Wagner startup app that we did for Wagner Caterpillar. And then we can walk you through the process of going through a proposal, getting you on a contract, and getting it delivered. And again, the entire process will take about 1 to 2 weeks. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. The information there is on the screen, and we will be happy to help you deploy a application that will help you in customer satisfaction with your customers in deploying equipment in the field, regardless of location. So that cuts it for today. Thanks. If you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Make it a great day.